What's going on, everybody? It's the Creative Fro, checking back in for another episode of Fireside Tech. I hope you enjoyed your week and are ready to learn something new, because today I'm going to be diving behind the camera to show you how you can implement a variety of camera angles within a scene. Now, if you didn't get a chance to see, this past Wednesday, we posted a video going over what different kind of camera angles there are and why I wish I knew about this when I first started out. So if you have yet to see that video, I suggest you pause this video and go check that out, and you should be all set to speed. But before we dive into today's tutorial, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button if you have yet to already, and also turn that notification bell on just for fun. So what I put together for today's tutorial is a sequence I call searching for the right location. And what we did was I got Carly to walk around a local park and look for a spot to take a selfie. And what I did was just document that whole process. So right now I'm gonna play the sequence that I shot together, and on the bottom right hand of the clips is gonna be the name of the shot that I used. So let the sequence commence. So now that you had the chance to see that sequence, let's break down why I used the shots that I did. So for the first shot here, the opening shot, we have an extreme wide shot. I chose this shot to establish the location and show how small Carly is into relation of the location. An extreme wide shot works really well when trying to establish a location to get people in the mood of the edit. Moving on to the next shot, we have a medium full shot. This shot is used to create suspense. You don't see Carly's face in the extreme wide shot, and now you're only seeing her legs and feet. So it really makes you wonder who the subject is and what they're doing. After our medium full shot, we move over to a wide shot. And this shot now reveals our character, but it still makes you wonder what's about to happen. You also get a good idea of the location because of the wide angle shot. You can see the trees and the trail behind Carly, so you know she's at a park or some kind of forestry area. Now we have our medium close-up shot. This is typically shot from the chest up with still some headspace at the top. This is now revealing the action of the story, which is Carly taking a selfie, and this close-up shot really helps bring the viewer's attention to what it is that the character is doing. The next shot we have is our cut-in shot. This shot is used to cut into a closer shot of what action the character is doing. So for the last shot, you saw Carly looking down at her phone. So in this shot, we cut to what she's looking at, and it helps keep the flow of the edit moving smoothly. Now we move along to our next shot, and that is the POV shot. And for this, I wanted to give off the illusion of Carly looking around the area, so I moved the camera from right to left, and it gave off the feeling of Carly looking around. After that POV shot, we have a full shot, and this is showing everything of the character from head to toe. I use this shot to give off the feeling of looking around and really soaking in your location. For a more dramatic effect, we cut up to a close-up shot of Carly's face so you can see the direction that her eyes are looking towards. So once she looks off into a certain direction, we can then cut to what she's really looking at. And that leads me into the last shot. This is our cutaway shot. And this is what you typically use when a character is looking at something and that camera cuts away to the action that the character is looking at. And one little pro tip that you can use before you start shooting this kind of edit is go through and think of a story that you want to tell and the shots that you want to use to help tell that story. This really helped me when I got on location because I knew what I was going for and I had a structure to follow as I was doing these shots. So it really helped. And honestly, I didn't even do all the shots that were on here. I saw different things when I got there and I changed it up on the go. So this is always a good reference to have. So that's another tip I'd give when using multiple camera angles. So that's pretty much everything for today's tutorial. I really hope you have a better visual understanding of how these camera angles work and the feelings the sequence can give off when you use a variety of these shots. Please like the video if you did, comment down below if there's anything you want to see for Fireside Tech, and share this video if you think it can help somebody. I hope you enjoy your upcoming week and crush it. I can't wait to see you next Sunday back in front of this fire again. It's a Creative Fro, and I'm out.